In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Pinterest account quickly and easily. Whether you're wrapping up your time online for the day or simply need to switch accounts, logging out is an essential step to keep your profile secure and your information private. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that you know exactly how to do it seamlessly. First, you'll want to bring up Pinterest on your preferred device. This could be your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Simply open up your web browser or the Pinterest app if you're on a mobile device. Once you've got Pinterest open, you're ready to move on to the next step. It's important to note that the interface can look slightly different depending on the device you're using, but the steps remain essentially the same. Now, after you've arrived at the Pinterest homepage, direct your attention towards your profile. This is typically found at the top of the browser window or within the app interface. Once there, you'll notice a small drop-down menu located adjacent to your profile picture or profile name. This menu is the key to accessing the Logout button. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with these account settings, as they give you control over your privacy and account management. Click the drop-down menu and you'll be presented with several options relating to your account. Here, among various settings and features, you will find the Logout option. Selecting this option will effectively log you out of your Pinterest account. It's as simple as that. Remember, taking the step to log out, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, is crucial to keeping your account secure. And just like that, you've successfully logged out of Pinterest. These few clicks ensure that your online presence is secure when you step away from your device. It's a straightforward process, but it's always worth ensuring you know how to find and use these options effectively. Regularly practicing logging out not only helps maintain your account security, but also reinforces safe internet habits. Thank you for joining me in this brief and informative tutorial. By logging out, you can rest assured knowing your Pinterest account is safe until you're ready to use it again. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials to master other essential online skills. Have a fantastic day and see you next time.